This is Matt, and this is a short video on how to add a link to an image in Canva. So I'm right here on my Canva, I have a project open. It's just kind of a demo presentation type project right here. So we've got some text and we've got some images. Now, this image down here, which looks kind of like a logo, if I wanted to actually add a link to that, so let's just assume that this is going to be a PDF once we export it. And obviously when you have your PDF going out to people, you might want them to have something which is clickable, which will go to a website, maybe that you can control, maybe that a client controls. So we have selected the image here, then there's the three dots right here for more. We click on those three dots, and now you'll see about halfway down we have this link option. So we can click on link, and just like that, we can start to type our link out. So I'm just going to go with one of my websites right here from lifestyle.com. So we're going to have that as the link. Now we just click on done. And the link has been created there. So you see link added at the very top. So when that is actually live as a presentation, you can see the link is there. When people click on that, they will go straight through to the website from lifestyle.com or any website that you want. You can do that on any image or any piece of text on your document in the same way. Hopefully you found this short video on how to add a link to an image in Canva useful. Hopefully you have, and drop this video a like if you found it helpful. Subscribe to the channel for more videos just like this.